Hey, if you want to connect your Sony WF-C500 with iPhone, for sure you can do this. So first of all, I can recommend you to go into the settings of your iPhone. After this, go to the Bluetooth and simply turn off the Bluetooth. Next, grab both earbuds, and now you will have to wait until both of these indicators turns on. As you can see right now, they are blinking quickly. And it means that they are in the pairing mode. But if for some reason this pairing mode is not turned on as a default on your earbuds, you will have to click and hold on the left and the right one and just wait until this indicators starts blinking like this. You will also hear the voice notification that you are now in the pairing mode. So when they blinking quickly, you will have to turn on the Bluetooth, and from here, from available devices list, you will have to select your earbuds. So now just take a look at the bottom on the all available devices list and select your Sony WF-C500. Now as you can see, we are successfully connected, and in the next step you can actually go into the App Store and get the Sony application. So you will have to go for the search, tap on the search pool and type Sony. Click search, and we'll have to get this application, this Sony headphones. So click to get, and now you will have to wait for the downloading process. For sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. As you can see, in my case there's some kind of the bug and I cannot download this application, so I can try to restart my App Store and try to get it one more time. And thanks to this application, you will actually unlock more features of these earbuds. For example, you will be able to adjust the sound equalizer or change between the Bluetooth connection mode. Okay, so let me just try one more time to get it. Okay, as you can see, in my iPhone it's actually not working. But in the most cases you will definitely be able to download it, and when you are connected by the standard settings, you will also find your earbuds connected when you download this application. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.